How can we say this in English? I started working here 5 years ago, and I still work here. I have been working here for 5 years. How can we say this in English? She started studying 2 hours ago, and she is still studying. She has been studying for 2 hours. How can we say this in English? We started waiting in the morning, and we are still waiting. We have been waiting since morning. How can we say this in English? He started learning English last year, and he is still learning it. He has been learning English since last year. How can we say this in English? I started preparing for my presentation yesterday, and I am still preparing. I have been preparing for my presentation since yesterday. How can we say this in English? It started raining in the morning, and it is still raining. It has been raining since morning. How can we say this in English? They started working on this project 3 months ago, and they are still working on it. They have been working on this project for 3 months. How can we say this in English? She started teaching at this university in 2022, and she still teaches here. She has been teaching at this university since 2022. How can we say this in English? I started trying to improve my English a few months ago, and I am still working on it. I have been trying to improve my English for a few months. How can we say this in English? He started waiting for the manager 30 minutes ago, and he is still waiting. He has been waiting for the manager for 30 minutes.